How to log in to DirectAdmin. You can log in to DirectAdmin using server IP address and port number, such as https://IP address://2222. If your domain propagates, you can log in to DirectAdmin using a URL such as https://server.example.com:2222. Here, server.example.com is your domain or host name, and 2222 is the port number. The port number may be different. You receive a welcome email from your hosting provider containing the URL and login credential, username, and password. After clicking the given URL in your welcome email, enter your username and password, and then click the Sign In button. Whether you are admin, reseller, or user, DirectAdmin offers 3 access levels. From this interface of DirectAdmin, you can manage your domain and perform other web hosting-related tasks. Thank you for watching.